Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the laegendary Sonic. It's a 1/16 scale brushless RC truck. This thing is 4-wheel drive, and you can also link two batteries together, and they give you a little adapter to where you can plug the two batteries in. It'll still remain a 7.4, but instead of 1,000 mAh, it turns into a 2,000 mAh, so you get twice the runtime. You may get a little more zip, I'm not sure. I haven't tested that yet, but we'll get there maybe in the next video. But anyway, enough talking about it. I hope everyone's doing well. Let's check it out and see what it can do. I have it in low speed. Here's the remote. You have low and high, so let's test out low speed first, and then we'll switch into high gear. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Nice. All right, you guys ready to switch it into high gear and see what that's about? Okay, you talked me into it. High gear. Some traffic. There's weight. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. That thing is crazy. Did you see it throw that big old rock? That's amazing. Wow. Better snatch you one up before they're all gone, everybody. Look at this. Can't let me be the only one having fun. Wow. That's impressive. Alright, I think I got a clearing in the traffic. Barely any traffic on this little road anyway. Wow. Oh my goodness. Definitely going to have to be a gradual throttle on this one or you'll lose control. Whoa. That is awesome. What a donut. That's impressive. Beat my expectations for sure. Found this on Amazon.com. You guys check them out. Very impressed with this little thing. Stays on its wheels really well. That's impressive. Go through that thick stuff. You see that? Very cool. They are waterproof, so this is okay. Being in the snow, I wouldn't take them in the river or nothing. Through puddles or stuff like that, it'd be alright. Man, when that thing can get some traction, I know it's going to pop wheelies pretty easy. A little too slick for it now. Got the tires all caked with snow. That is a lot of fun. Look at that. I have to thaw it out in the sink when I'm done. It's easy enough. Set them down in your kitchen sink and they'll fall out. Boom, look at that. That ain't cool. Good battery life. Well balanced machine here. Very cool. I want a real one that I can do this in. That'd be real fun. Oh, that was cool. A little wheelie action there. Oh, flipped her over for the first time. Not bad. Only one so far. If I don't jinx myself. Oh, I did. There's two. Out. I think the battery's starting to get low. We'll run it until it stops. Do a donut until it quits. Oh, there it is. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. That's the legendary Sonic. Get you one. Amazon.com. Have a great day. Bye.